Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove checkout fields. Let's get started. So we're here on our checkout, and as you can see right here, we have this contact information, shipping address, billing address, a lot of these things right here. So if you want to remove solid checkout fields, what you can do is you can click on this customize option that they have right there. Now you just need to click on this customize right here once you have seen this WooCommerce. And then you can see here this checkout, and this could be customized in the editor with your active theme. So just head over and then open this blue thing right here in order to actually redirect it to this editor. So here is what it looks like. You can head over and click on any fields that you have available right here on your checkout fields. And you can see in here the shipping address. You can also click on this right here on the billing and you can also enable or disable it however it thinks you want. Make sure that you click on this use same address. And then from in there, you can also add some few blocks that will help you in this case. You can use separators and the likes. Then from in there, click on the save options once you're good to go. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.